Hi guys, welcome to in this channel. This is Nisha and today in this video I will suggest you 4 habits which gonna help you to improve your English. If you observe and follow 4 habits every day, then you will speak soon and correctly. I would like to consider you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon bottom so that you can get my videos notification whenever I upload on my channel. And another thing guys, if I make any mistake while speaking English, so please forgive me and ignore it my mistake and let me know where I make any mistake while speaking English. I will improve it. Okay. So, come to the point. First tip in my list, improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation is part of speaking English. Okay, means you should speak every day. Whatever you speak, you just pronounce correct. Means your pronunciation should be correct so that someone can you understand what you say him. Okay, so that is very important to correct your pronunciation. If you pronounce wrong, then someone can challenging to understand what you say with him. So please try to speak correct pronunciation. Don't speak more in a day. Just set your time to speak every day. Okay, for this time you just focus to correct your pronunciation. On that time you should focus to correct your pronunciation. Okay, so whatever you speak, just speak accurate pronunciation. So that is the first step to learn English and improve your English. Okay guys, focus to accurate pronunciation so that everyone understands you easily. Point number 2 in my list, observe. Take information related English content. Means if you interested watching English content, so please go in Google and search English content related, and then whatever you want to like to watch, please watch them carefully and try to understand what they speaking, and listen podcast, because of there you can build your understanding English. Okay, listening is very important to learn English. Whatever you listen, it helps you to build your understanding in English. So whatever you want to like, so watch English content. You are interested, watch them, story, English content and series. And whatever you interested to listen, just podcast and listen story and news, whatever you like, just listen carefully. In this process you are boosting your confidence level and improving your understanding in English, as well as you can learn new vocabularies. Okay, because of you listen something, then you curious what is this word, and then you will check those words which you don't know. Okay, and then you will remember those words a long time, because if you curious to know what is this, then you will recall these things long time. It is my experience. Means your interesting is your learning part, your curiousness your learning part. Whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to know. Okay, so means it helps you so much to improve your English. Third tip, writing. Writing means you have to write every day. I'm not talking about essay writing. I'm just talking about whatever have in your head, just write your notebook. Okay, whatever you have a thought related to your daily life, related to your friend, related to your thought, whatever thought in your head, you just write on your notebook. Okay, it will help you to improve your vocabulary and understanding in your thought. You start thinking in English and writing in English, so where you can easily understand thinking in English, so it helps you to think in English. Okay, make sure you will write every day related to your thought, whatever you want to write, whatever thought have in your head, you just write in your notebook. It will help you to build your thinking in English, because when you start to writing in English, then you will able to think in English, because you push your mind to think in English, push yourself to write in English, then day by day you will improve your writing as well as thinking in English. So it will help you. So please try this method. It's very useful. So please try this. And fourth number, session means if you have any friends and they help you to discussion with you in English, so please please choose a topic and talk with them, and every day choose a different type of topic, like related to yoga. You can also take marketing related. Okay, means whatever you want to talk about, just take a topic and discuss with your friend. Okay, if you don't have any friend, and if you have any friend but they don't speak in English, because they are not able to speak in English, you feel like they will fun on of you, so just ignore it and try to discuss with yourself. Okay, choose a topic which you like and just talk on that particular topic. Okay, if you start talking in English, discussing in English, whatever topic you like, and when you start discussing on that moment, it may be difficult to you for some days, because of you are new for that. But trust me, if you will do at least 15 days, then you will see good result. After spending you will be suffering to difficulties in English, to talking in English, discussing in English, and if you suffering this problem day by day, then next week you will see, you will able to think and talk, discuss any topic easily. Because of today, if you are stuck to talk and discuss any topic, because of you are beginner, but trust me, next week, next day, okay, it will easier to next day. But you have to start just 4 things which I told you. These 4 habits in your daily routine, in your habit, then you will get good result in your speaking English. Okay, I know it will difficult to you in the first time, but trust me, if you do every day without missing a day, then you will see good command on English. Because of first day you feel difficulty, second days you feel difficulties, and third day you feel difficulties, but trust me, it will be easier for you day by day. Means first day difficult more, second day difficult less. Okay, just follow 4 tips which I have shared with you guys. It will definitely help you. It's my humble request to you. If you want to speak English, if you want to get good command in English, so please follow 4 tips which gonna help you so much to improve your speaking English. So please do these things. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please give thumbs up and share this video more with your friends, with your colleagues. Okay, so that they can also learn English, they can also make easier their learning spoken English. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, so please share more and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon bottom so that you can get my videos notification whenever I upload on my channel. I will come back soon with another video which will help you to improve your English. Bye bye.